Music with Miss Sing, and today I am going to be showing you how to make a traditional Japanese instrument called the Hichiriki. The Hichiriki is a double reed instrument, and we are going to make one using a plastic bendy straw. The first step to creating the Hichiriki is you need to cut off the actual bendy part. So I'm just going to cut right above the bendy part of the straw. The next thing we're going to do is we are going to create the double reed on the end of the straw. So here's the straw, and I'm just going to cut a diagonal piece just like that, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and it'll make a point just like that. So there is our double reed. The final part to making a true Hichiriki, with lipstick on it in this case, is creating little holes for the air to escape, and that is how we will create different pitches. Depending on whether or not you want different pitches, you could just leave it like this, and you've got a note, you've got a sound. But the more advanced Hichiriki is to add some pitches. So let's try it. All you do is cut a hole, much like we did earlier in the top. Now this is going to make it more difficult to play because you'll have to be able to cover the hole in order to get the sound. So let's try it. So you can add even more holes if you want for more pitches, but I'm going to stick with that. Enjoy making your traditional Japanese instrument, the Hichiriki.